Yo, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to show you how to get on Discord on PS5. So see, I have a PS5 right here and you can see my screen. Just gonna move around to prove that we are on PS5 so you don't think anything else. Let's see, if I go down there, it's going down there. But anyway, we're going to show you how to get on Discord. It's very easy. You can chat with people, you can join voice channels, you can, chat in rooms, anything, whatever you want. We're gonna get right into it. We are not going to waste any time. But if you're new here, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you already haven't, and let's get right into it. We also have our own Discord channel, so make sure to join our Discord if you would like to. The link is in the description. It's very easy. So all you need to do, on PlayStation 5, go to game base, and what you actually just need to do is find like a group or send to a friend. So either get a friend, send him a message. It can be a fake friend, it doesn't matter, or just go to a message. So as you see here, I'm just going to inside a group here. I'm going to messages, send a quick message or video message. Click on video message, and right here, go ahead and write a Discord. It's a discord.com. Discord.com. That is it. And send. And when you send it, it's also going to be right that it's gonna pop up like a window. We're gonna call it a window like that, and all you need to do is just go ahead and click on it, and then what you will do is going to send you to the browser, and it's simple, and just to log in. When you start to this browser login, so either log in with your email or phone number, or there will be a QR code here. You can go ahead and go to your phone, go to your Discord, and just scan it. So now I'm gonna go and scan it, and then I'm going to log in. So let's just log in. And there we are inside. Let's see here, I'm on my Discord right now, and if you join my Discord server, which is R2T, the link is in the description. Let's see here, R2T Gaming. If I go ahead and click on this and I scroll down to, I'm just gonna prove that I'm using my PlayStation 5 controller, as you see. So if I go to my general, let's see what it is. There is general. If you go to general, and then you can type something. If I press the back button, see, here is the here is the general room. You go here, click on message. You can see we're gonna see you can write whatever you want. What's up, oh, that came out wrong. You can write what's up there, what's up there, and then you can just send it. So to send, just click this button right here to send it, and you see there it goes sent. So if I now go to my phone on Discord, and if I go to my server and we go to general, you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it in my camera because it might be a bit flipped, but we're gonna try. See down there, I've sent what's up. I'm not sure if you guys see it out. I think so, but to see it works. So if I send hello, it will be sent, so it's not fake. You can chat with people on Discord on PS5, and you can also join room. So here we have a chat room. You can also join it and talk with people right there with your PS5 headset or headphone, whatever, or your PS5 controller, because it has a microphone. So I hope this tutorial works for you, and if you have any issues, let the other people know in the comments, so you help the other ones out. But if you tried it out, let me know in the comment section if you tried it out and it worked for you. That is amazing. And just remember to like this video if this helped, and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, R2T out.